This is the Atut Lati, the Lati stone, a two-piece pillar structure symbolizing the strength of the Chamorro heritage of honoring the sacredness of life, love, and land. As a symbol of generous hospitality and honorable respect, it has inspired the creation of an opportunity for growth. Business plans for Noble Rockworks were created to provide Lati stone-shaped planters to the gardening community. The standard two-piece version has a capacity of about a half gallon and is accompanied in a set with a pint-sized one-piece version. The development of this business plan and its financial projections have revealed three opportunities for growth. Because of the set of molds that create these planters, there's an opportunity to use 3 hours a week to have $60 provide an income of $120. The way this works is a starter kit is provided, an independent contractor agreement form is signed, and for as long as the terms of the agreement hold true, a monthly revenue of $120 is added to the buyer's income stream. Follow the link to this opportunity in the description of this video for more information. The second opportunity is for those interested in developing passive income. Because of the desire for proper accounting, a commercial loan of $3,000 was added to the financial projections for the legal fees and licensing costs required for a business bank account. This loan will also provide a 3-month reserve for operating expenses in the case of the marketing plan insufficiently producing sales, and therefore providing ample time to make the necessary changes to produce growth. The opportunity here is to leverage other people's money to produce an added revenue to your income stream. If a bank will loan you this $3,000 at a 5% interest rate, with the financial projections of a commercial loan at a 12% interest rate, you'd be producing more of a return on your investment than your lender would. The link for more information on this opportunity is also provided in the description of this video. The third opportunity provided here has a more indirect return on your investment. Donations are being accepted to support the mission of providing more people with the opportunity for building passive income. None of the proceeds are tax deductible, but all of it will maintain an all-in-one site with a step-by-step guide and superb customer service to give access to all the tools and resources this company is using for growth. Donors of any size for the next week will be granted lifetime access to these resources when the membership website launches. Grateful for your interest, looking forward to working with you. I'm Brother Ben. Be blessed.